Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In today's video, we will learn the simple equation. Okay, so this is the new chapter, that is the chapter 4. So simple equation. So what is simple equation? Let's take the example. Here is the example: 2x plus 5 equal to 7. So this is about the simple equation. This is called the simple equation. How we can say this is the simple equation? See, only 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. This is called the algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression. Okay, when this algebraic expression contains a equality sign, this sign is called the equality sign. This one. Okay, this is called the equality sign. Equality. This is called the equality sign. When algebraic expression contains equality sign, it becomes a equation. ठीक, this side is called the left hand side, that is LHS, left hand side, and this side is called the RHS, that is right hand side, RHS. Okay, and here this is called the variable, this x. Okay, so variable always represent by a English letter. So this is called the variable. Why it is called a variable? Because its value is changes and its value is different for different question. Suppose that in first question the x value is 5, and for second question the x value is 7. So see here, the value of x is changes for the different question. So that is why it is called a variable. This is all about the simple equation. Now we are moving to some few examples. So here I take the example. In this you have to this question, and in this question you have to make a equation. So read the question properly. Okay, so see, the Raju father's age. Now listen here. Raju father's age is 5 years more than 3 times the Raju age. Raju father is 44 years old. Set up an equation to find the Raju age. See, simple question I have already taken in online class, so I take some difficult example. So we have to set up an equation. Here we have to set up the equation to find the Raju age. So father's age is 5 more than the 3 times of Raju. See, then जो part आता है उसके बाद जो sentence आता है, first we make this. So since father's age is compared by the Raju age, so let's, here is the solution. So let Raju's age is equal to x. Okay, so Raju's father's age, so what the father's age becomes? See, they are saying father age is 5 years more than 3 times of Raju. So 3 times of Raju, 3x, 5 years more is plus 5. Now in next sentence they have given father age is equal to 44. That means father is equal to 44 years old. Okay, they have given here. So that means this equation and this equation are equal to each other. So you have to write like this: 3x plus 5 is equal to 44. Here I set up the equation. In this way you have to set up the equation. Now we will see next example. Now in this example we have to set up already we get the equation. Here is the equation. Already we have a equation, and in this equation we have to write the statement. So here 3n plus 7 equal to 1. Now we have to make the statement. So here is the solution. So we can write this statement here. It is like that: 5. See, here is the n, that is 3 times of n. Okay, so if 7 is added to 3 times of n, we get 1. So we can write like this: if 7 is added to 3 times of n, this is 3 times of n. Okay, so to 3 times of n we get 1. So this is the statement from the given equation. In the same way, I take one more example. Suppose that here is the question, m by 5 minus 2 equal to 6. So what is the statement you have to write? So we can write you get, here is the solution, you get 6. Okay, when you get 6, when you subtract 2 is subtracted from this. So when you subtract 2 from 1/5 of a number, and here we take number as the m. So this is the statement for this question. So in exercise 4.1 there are two type of question. One we have taken in previous example, you have to make the equation from the statement, and in second type just reverse process, from the equation you have to make the statement. Here I am ending our video. Thank you.